Hey folks, it's Brenan at Legacy RV Center. I'm gonna go over the Rogue by Forest River. This is Legacy's #1 selling toy hauler brand. This model, the 26V, does especially well. Let's jump inside and see why. So as you can see on this 26V, one thing that the Rogue is huge about is setting it up for your camping convenience. Right here, as you walk into the front door, all your controls are right there for you. Your light switches, slide out buttons, awning buttons right there too. It's not all hidden and chaotic. It's all in one spot for you right there. One thing I do love about this model personally, I'm a foodie. I like to eat. Lots of counter space, lots of prep area to work with here. So nice big countertop right there. Farm style sinks with the stainless steel sink. Right over here too, you have another prep station. Personally, I like this the best just because it's right next to the stove. You can be cooking, chopping vegetables, kind of whatever you want to do right there. Nice big oven for an RV, cookies, Totino's pizzas, whatever you want to do, put it in there. Cook it up for the kids, perfect. Right here, you have your microwave as well, because in the 21st century, we like our microwaves too, just as good as the stove. One thing I do love too on the 2020 Rogues versus the 2020s, they did do a new updated interior right here. So you now have glass on your cabinetry doors right there. Gives it kind of a slick look right there on the cabinets. Another thing, so like I mentioned, I am a foodie, so I love the food storage too. So you get the 8 cubic fridge right here versus your 6s, a little bit bigger. You get a nice big freezer here too to put all your, Ben and Jerry's, your Fat Boy sandwiches. That's what I'm thinking of when I see the big freezers right there too. Back here, where my camera guy is, we got a little surprise right there. I'll show you at the end of the video. You'll want to check that out. But we have the 2 beds that fold down or couches, whatever you need it for at the time. You do have a folding table too as well that you can tuck right here in the front. You can be sitting down eating right there or eat off the surprise I'm going to show you in the back there. Right here too, you have 2 seatings for your guests. They can come over, enjoy a meal with you inside. Keeps you out of the cold. Right back here, so COVID in 2021, or 2020, let's be real here, has put a damper on all of our lives. Rogue wants to have you covered on your sanitation station right here. Also makes it nice, you don't have to put another separate soap right there for you to wash your hands. Let's hop up front and check that out. Oh, hey there, folks. So I just want to point out really quick, so as you can see, I am a little bit shorter than most of my crowd. I am 5'9", but as you can see, I'm situated pretty comfortably here in this bathroom. Now that we're talking about the bathroom, I do want to show you a couple of my favorite features on this guy. So right here, you have a true towel storage. And if you look at that, I mean, it's a good arm length deep. So it goes all the way to your wall right there. It gives you nice room to store all your towels, washcloths on the lower half. On the upper half, you can store your toilet papers, all that stuff, all the goodies up there. And if you look up right there, you can see that goes up to your ceiling as well. So it's nice and deep, lots of storage right there in the bathroom, which a lot of people kind of miss out on. Love that Rogue took that into consideration when they were building these toy haulers. Another thing I like right here, they give you a nice deep medicine cabinet. If you look at that, it is a little bit deeper than most. If you have your vitamins, whatever you want to put in there, toothbrushes, all that can fit right there. And you have your under sink storage right there, which is nice too. Another thing, like I mentioned, I am 5'9", so I want to point out this shower. Even if you have the world's tallest guy, he might be able to fit in here. As you can see, it is a nice high ceiling. I'm going to whisper because we're going into the bedroom where everyone goes to sleep, so come on up front. So over here, we have a couple options I want to point out. So one, you have your charging stations right there for your tablets, your phones, all that stuff. Another thing I want to point out, so Rogue does lots of windows in their units to get you the really good vitamin D from that natural sunlighting. So in here you have 2 nice big windows. One is an emergency exit, the other one's just kind of your casual use. Like our batteries just died here though, you can see that you have lots of good natural lighting, so just in case that does happen. Another thing, like I said before, they're all about camping convenience. Generator start switch right here. So if you're snoring in the middle of the night and you realize you want your generator on, you just reach over there, click that guy on, pop it on, and you're set to go right there. So another camping convenience thing right there. Over here, they're all about entertainment too. So they want to make sure they set you up with the backer right there on the wall. You have your hookups right there too. So you can mount your own TV if you wanted to. Breaker boxes and all that stuff's right here. So like I was saying, if you're sleeping and the generator does pop a breaker, pop that guy open that's in your bedroom. You're not going to go hunting for it. It's in your bedroom. You flip the breaker over back and then you're good to go. Another thing right here, you're probably wondering what this little red switch is right here. That's your battery disconnect. So you can flip that on, off for when you're sleeping. If you're plugged in and you want to, your batteries are charged, you want to flip it off, flip that guy off right there. Another thing I'll point out, I have my camera guys show you lots of storage in this front bedroom. So let's be honest, when we're camping, we are camping, but we like to bring our clothes nowadays. So all your clothes in there. Got another nice big one right here. Also, the granddaddy right there, you have all your storage under there. Cool thing too, it is connected to your pass-through compartment, as you can see under there. So you can load those bigger items in there too and still have access from underneath the bed. It's a little bit easier to access when you're camping. Come on outside, folks. Let's check out this outside right here. This is the big surprise finish for you at the end. It's the best part of the trailer, in my opinion. This is my favorite feature on these Rogues especially. Makes it a really nice, fun atmosphere outside. One of the things we've been seeing lately is the lifetime table set up out here. It makes prepping food and serving food super easy. You know, someone wants a drink, you can hand it over the side right there. Also in these Rogues, they're sending them with an upgraded audio package so you can bring the party inside and outside with the deck. It makes it super easy. On the way out, I want to show you my favorite feature on these blinds. So these are the new zebra blinds that you can find in your 2020, 2021 Rogues. And they go shade or light in, either way you want it. They're super awesome. Everyone loves them. So do I. Let's hop out and finish the outside. Did you see that sick door that comes on the new 2020 Rogues? And these steps, solid surface steps with the bigger handle. Makes it easier for you to go inside and outside of your trailer. Let's jump over here, show you right here. One of my favorite features, especially on these half-ton towable rigs, is your 30-gallon fuel cell. And a lot of people ask me, Brennan, isn't that only used for your toy hauler? Yes and no. If you load it up with your fuel choice, you can actually fill up your gas trucks with it as well. So makes your trip a little bit longer. The other nice thing about the fuel cell is the generator runs directly off it, so you don't have to run your 5-gallon cans out here, keep filling it up. It's all convenience. Just flip that switch on right there for your pump. So let's check out the storage up front. Don't mind me, folks, I'm just getting ready for dinner time. This is your fold-out table for those back two benches right there that Rogue gives you. Nice fold-out table, and it's a super nice material that's easy to cut and prep food on. Also, my favorite part, and that's eat on it. If I can figure this out. I'm only human, so it took me a second to set this up. While we're right here, I want to show with with our cameraman. You have a propane quick connect right there too on the outside of the unit, so you can hook up your camp chefs, all that stuff, and serve food outside. The table is multi-purpose. You can go inside or outside with the either or. I do want to point out some cool things about this storage compartment too up here. If you notice, you do have actual tie downs in your storage compartment. If you want to winch down your camp chefs, all that stuff, you can do that right in there. No more having to winch it down up front there. They also give you your goodies right here, like your accordion hose, your electric cord, and your cranks right there. If you're like me, my dad always taught me do it the lazy way and get a 3/4 inch socket on your impact driver and just run the jack downs that way. We always did it that way. It was super easy. Up, folks, and we're gonna go over the other side of the trailer too. Right here, another convenience camping. You'll hear me say that a lot on these Rogues. That's what they're all about. A place to tuck your safety chains when you're done unhooked. You also have a place to tuck your 7-way cable right here on the side, so it's not dangling around everywhere. So right here, folks, you have the external access to your water heater. This has your anode rod in there and your drain, also your switch for your electric mode. You also have the furnace outlet right here. You can roast a little marshmallows. You might die from them, so we don't recommend it. Keep stuff 5 feet away from it. Kind of what factory recommends. cable satellite hookup accordingly. So your cable's that side, satellite's that side. You have your black tank and your gray tank dump right there. And for my little favorite part right here on the outside, when it comes time to clean that Blackstone griddle, voila, you have your accordion hose that hooks right into there. You can wash stuff off, you know, griddles, dogs, whatever. Also right here, you have an outside shower. In the outside shower, you do have hot and cold options. So say you go to the beach, you get all sandy, you want to wash off, but it's freezing like it is right now, you can use your hot water to wash off too outside. Fresh tank fill, City Water Connect, we all know what those do. Hooks you up right there, fill your tank up, or you can run all your faucets off the city water. Right here you have the Yamaha generator. It's the 4500 too, so it's a little bit bigger of a size. All these new Rogues are going with the Yamaha generators, and I have to say they have been nothing but great for us. It's a good switch that I think you as the consumer will love. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video on the 26V Rogue. Camping convenience is your new reality with this Rogue 26V. I'm Brennan with Legacy RV Center. If you want to come down and enjoy and indulge on the biggest bang for your buck here at Legacy RV Center, stop down, check us out, like, subscribe, give us feedback too on some more videos maybe you would like to see in the future, or if you want to see some how-to videos too. We're open to ideas here. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Once again, I'm Brennan. We'll see you next time. Love you.